Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Vivek's Way. Yes, first of all I would like to thank all my subscribers, those who have subscribed my channel, and those who have not, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click a bell icon, right? So yes, today is 20th July and it's my birthday. Yes, it's my happy wala birthday, and I thought that on my birthday I would like to thank all my relatives, family members and friends from India and abroad, those who are sending me birthday wishes, right? Since last night I'm getting these birthday wishes and I feel very much lucky on that. Okay, so on this day I would like to celebrate my birthday in a very different way, because after 25 days we are going to have our Independence Day, that is on 15th of August. Guys, everyone, we should appreciate and we should pay tribute to all freedom fighters, those who have given their lives to get us free from the Britishers, right? And Britishers, no offense, but yes, we got freedom from you because you were very bad on us. Yeah, so okay. So yeah, so I'm going to celebrate my birthday by giving tribute to all those unsung heroes, to all those unsung freedom fighters. We might have heard their name, but we don't recall them very very fadak se, right? So it is very important to know, and me myself being a teacher, it's my responsibility that I should teach my students about all those heroes which we have never heard. I mean, like Rani Velu Nachiyar, have you heard that name? Right, many of you might have not, right? So in these coming videos I'm going to give you information about all those freedom fighters, those who have literally fought till their death, till their last breath, right, for our freedom, but still they are unrecognized by masses, right? So it will be my responsibility and my tribute to all those unsung heroes who have given their life, and I will try to cover all those heroes and try to bring their life in front of you, that how they have struggled to get us free from Britishers, right? So in this way I thought that I will be able to pay tribute to all those. I think that was a point when whole India was together, the whole nation was together to fight against Britishers and to get us free from from the colonial rule, right? And that day was 15th of August 1947, right? And still we celebrate that day on which our India became a union of a democratic country. In fact, world's biggest democratic country it became on that day. So on this day, once again I would like to thank all my viewers, my family members, my friends, those who are giving me birthday wishes from from past night, and I hope that I will be receiving more birthday wishes from you all. And you will be amazed at why I have made this video in English, right? Because many of my friends from abroad, they are telling me that Vivek, we have subscribed to your channel, but because of Hindi we are not able to get the information properly that what you are trying to say about. So henceforth I thought that okay, on my birthday I would like to make a video in English so that it can reach up to masses. No doubt, the videos will be coming, about our freedom fighters. I will make in Hindi and English also, right? Because our information should be spread more and more, right? So I will try to make videos in both languages, and I hope you will appreciate and you will like this content of the video and the coming videos. So friends, those who have not liked, share and subscribe my channel, it's a request from me that please do like, share and subscribe my channel and support India and our Indians. So be vocal for local and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Vivek's Way. Yes.